neither vitakka or vikara. They also speak of the levels with vitakka and with vikara, without vitakka and with vikara, with neither vitakka nor vikara. Why speak here of the concentrations with vitakka, etc. only? Answer: because here we note only what is most useful. 1. The dharmas with vitakka and with vikara. Dharmas associated with vitakka and vikara and occur in kamadhatu, in the anagamya, and in the first dhyana. These dharmas are good, bad and indeterminate. 2. The dharmas without vitakka but with vikara. Dharmas associated with vikara alone and are found in the dhyanantara. These dharmas are good, bad or indeterminate. 3. The dharmas with neither vitakka or vikara are deprived of vitakka and vikara, namely a. all matter, b. formations dissociated from the mind, c. unconditioned dharmas. 4. Levels with vitakka, etc. 1. The levels. Bhumi, with both vitakka and vikara are a. kamadhatu, b. anagamya, preparatory concentration of the first dhyana, c. part of the Brahmaloka, namely, the first 2 stages of the first dhyana inhabited by the Brahmakayakas and the Brahmapurohitas respectively. 2. The level without vitakka but with vikara is the dhyanantara, higher stage of the first dhyana. Those who develop this level thoroughly are the Mahabrahmarahas. 3. The levels with neither vitakka nor vikara are the levels inhabited by the following gods: a. all the ausvaras, namely, the paritapas, the apramanapas and the ausvaras occupying the 3 stages of the second dhyana. b. all the subhaknas, c. all the bratfala, d. all the formless gods, aripya, e. the 3 concentrations according to the Mahayana. Here in the Prajnaparamitasutra, it is a matter of much higher things, namely, the meditative stabilizations. What are these concentrations? 1. The concentrations of the Arhats and Pratyeka Buddhas, from the 3 concentrations of emptiness, etc. up to the diamond concentration. 2. The concentrations of the Buddhas, from the concentration contemplating the Buddhas of the 10 directions up to the concentration of the Heros progress. From the concentration eliminating all doubts up to the king of concentrations. These explanations briefly outline the meaning of the 3 concentrations. It is finished. Sutra. The bodhisattva Mahasattva must completely fulfill 3 faculties. 1. The faculty signifying, I will understand that which I do not understand. 2. The faculty of understanding. 3. The faculty of that which has been understood. 1. The 3 faculties of understanding according to the abhidharma. A. Definition. 1. The faculty signifying I will understand that which I do not understand is a group of 9 pure faculties. In the individual who follows the truth as a result of faith, or who follows the truth as a result of scripture, and who is on the path of seeing the truths. This group is called Aninata Majnasayam Indriya and includes the following 9 indriyas. 1 to 5. The 5 faculties, namely, faculty of faith, faculty of energy, faculty of mindfulness, faculty of concentration and faculty of wisdom. 6. The sensation of satisfaction. 7. The sensation of pleasure. 8. The sensation of indifference. 9. The mental organ. 2. In the person liberated by faith, or in the view attainer who is on the path of meditation, this group of 9 indriyas changes its name and is called faculty of understanding. 3. In the path of those of no more learning, this group of 9 indriyas is called the faculty of those who have understood. b. Excellence of the 3 faculties of understanding. Question. Of all the 22 indriyas, why does the Prajnaparamitasutra choose these 3 indriyas of understanding? Answer. We call indriya from the root ind, that which has a penetrating and obvious nature of dominance. But this characteristic of dominance is not completely perfected in the other 19 indriyas. This is why the Prajnaparamita does not mention here. On the other hand, the 3 indriyas of understanding are sharp and lead directly to nirvana. Dominant. Among all the conditioned dharmas, they hold sovereignty and surpass all the other indriyas. Furthermore, among the other 19 indriyas, 10 are exclusively impure and therefore are of no benefit. These are 1. The eye organ, 2. The ear organ, 3. The nose organ, 4. The tongue organ, 5. The body organ, 6. The female organ, 7. The male organ, 8. The vital organ, 9. The sensation of displeasure, 10. The sensation of dissatisfaction. Further, among the other 19 indriyas, 9 are morally indeterminate, sometimes impure and sometimes pure. These are 1. The mental organ, 2. The sensation of pleasure, 3. The sensation of satisfaction, 4. The sensation of indifference, 5. The faculty of faith, 6. The faculty of energy, 7. The faculty of mindfulness, 8. The faculty of concentration, 9. The faculty of wisdom. Since, of these other 19 indriyas, some are always impure and others are sometimes impure and sometimes pure, the Prajnaparamitasutra is careful not to say that the bodhisattva should fulfill them completely. Question. But the 10 concepts examined above were also sometimes impure and sometimes pure. Why did the Prajnaparamitasutra say there that the bodhisattva should fulfill them completely? Answer. Because these 10 concepts are auxiliaries to the path and the pursuit of nirvana. But here the 10 faculties, faith, etc., although good, do not seek nirvana exclusively. As is said in the Abhidharma, who is endowed with the 5 faculties, faith, etc.? The person who has not cut the roots of good. Furthermore, when these 5 faculties become clear and pure, they are included in the 3 faculties of understanding. In the 3 faculties of understanding, there is inevitably the mental organ, and of the 3 sensations pleasure, satisfaction and indifference upeksa there is one. Inevitably. This is why the Prajnaparamitasutra speaks here only of the 3 faculties of understanding. Finally, among the 22 indriyas, there are good ones, bad ones and indeterminate ones. This is why the Prajnaparamitasutra does not say that all of them should be fulfilled perfectly. C. Levels, objects, polo associates and causality of the 3 faculties. 1. The 3 faculties of understanding are contained in the aggregate of feeling, the aggregate of volition and the aggregate of consciousness. 2. The aninartamajna sayamindriya occurs in 6 levels, namely, the 4 dhyanas, the anagamya and the dhyanantara. The